Hey there, and welcome back to Design for Scientists. Today, we're going to be talking about figures. Well, more specifically, about line graphs. Why? Well, because we don't want you to be making slides like this, or this, or this, or this. We want you to create beautiful, engaging, good-looking slides that will actually help you to convey your message. But first, because today we're going to be talking about data visualization, let's go through the three main pillars of effective data visualization. The first is content, the data itself. That's what brings meaning to the graph. That's why you're creating the graph in the first place, right? Then comes attractiveness. You want to create something that's inviting, visually appealing, so people would actually want to understand what's going on there. You want to highlight the essence of your message. And of course, executing. You have to create this slide, this graph. You don't want to just copy and paste from your research paper. Well, let's go through an example, a very quick one, a very simple one, on the do's and don'ts of line graphs. Well, take a look at this one. We don't want to make it too flat. Line graphs are here for us to show a trend. But also, we don't want to make it too inflated. Instead, just follow the general rule of thumb of using about 2/3 of the space that you have there. And you should get something like this. Looks much better. Now, take a look at the numbers on your left. You shouldn't be having these awkward increments. You don't want your audience to think too much. You want to convey your message in the smoothest way possible. And because of that, just use natural increments, such as multiples of 2 or multiples of 10. And at last, when you're using line graphs, you don't want to label at a distance. Don't label at a distance, just label them directly. Like this. You see? The graph has a few fixes and it's looking much better. It was looking like this and now it looks like this. Easier to follow, conveying your message in the simplest way possible. Just to recap. Again, you shouldn't make it too flat or too inflated. You just go for the rule. 2/3 of the space that you have there. That would be fine. Then, you shouldn't be having awkward increments. You always want to avoid your audience to have to make an effort to understand what you want to say. Instead, just use natural ones that they would get it like this. And at last, don't label at long distance. Even if you have 3-4 lines in the graph, just label the lines directly. Okay, and that's it. Submit your slides for a chance of a free analysis, makeover, or really whatever help you need. Luis and I, we're here for you. You can find us, contact@designforscience.com, or in our Instagram account, Design for Scientists. Well, thank you very much, and don't forget, better slides make you better at your job. Have a great day, and see you next time.